you grow right now? Because right now is tough times. We are in struggling markets and we are effectively in an economic slump. So growth can be a little bit difficult. Most businesses are just looking to survive. But how can you grow and how can you thrive at this point in time? Let's face it, there won't be as many leads around and there certainly aren't going to be as many new customers coming in, which can put any business in a little bit of a tough spot. But that doesn't mean you need to be in a tough spot, because there are some ways that you can grow despite what the economy is looking at right now. While there are many different ways that people can grow, they generally tend to do things like focus on getting new leads in. So you set your targets and you go, okay, I need to do all these different things to hit these specific targets. But there is a second way that you can grow right now. What does your existing customer base look like? And what does your customer lifetime value look like? Have you really optimized for customer lifetime value? Now, customer lifetime value is how long you've had a customer for, how much they spend over that time period that you keep them for, minus any of the various different costs that you may have accrued while you were acquiring that customer. Now, the formulas can get a little bit more complicated than that, but at its basic, it's how long have you had that person, how much have they spent, how much did it cost to get them. And customer lifetime value can be a very, very interesting metric to track that not a lot of businesses track, because your existing customers know, like, and trust you already. If you are doing a good job at this point in time, it is way, way easier to get your existing customer base to spend a little bit more money with you than it is to go and get brand new people who are already a little bit scared because the economy is a bit rough to spend a little bit of money with you. So customer lifetime value and increasing that within your customer base can be a fantastic way to grow during an economic slump. And of course, if you combine the two approaches and you focus on increasing your customer lifetime value as well as getting a few new people through the door, then that's how you're going to grow right now, despite how difficult everything is. So here are my questions for you. Do you actually know what your existing customer lifetime value is? Because that is a metric not many businesses track at all. And what can you do to increase that customer lifetime value, to maximize that and to increase your profits? Secondly, have you actually focused on having a look at your past clients and reaching out to them? So before you go out and try and get new leads, could you reach out to people you've worked with previously and put a little bit of effort into those relationships to get them to come back for more? And what can you be doing to help both your past clients and your existing clients that little bit more? And if you key into that and key into what their problems and their issues are right now, then you're definitely going to optimize your customer lifetime value. You'll be more profitable and it will be much easier to hit any revenue-based targets that you may be looking for. So at this point in time, I love for you guys to inspire other people with your action. So let's put in the comments, what are you going to do differently? What can you optimize for? What are your existing customers looking like? And is there something else that you can be helping them with? And as usual, feel free to reach out to me anytime. You can DM me if you guys are struggling. And if you need a little bit of inspiration and a bit of action, we do have those free marketing therapy sessions. That's what they're there for. They're there to get you on the right track. But feel free to reach out to me anytime with any questions. And we still have those resources that we've put together. So we have downloads, we have various different action plans, worksheets, videos, webinars, you name it. We've put them all together on one resource page to help everybody get through this slightly challenging time period and help get a little bit of growth together. So go out there, stay safe, continue growing and engaging your audience, and optimize your customer lifetime value. You'll be surprised that that's where the money is.